Let's say you wanted to create a curvy cutter in Blender. Well, one of the ways of doing this would be to enable box cutter and go to D menu and go to N-gon and enable this lasso tool and make sure you're in face mode. And then you simply click and drag and you draw with your mouse a cutter. Now you can change density of it, etc. But the issue with this one is it's not very precise and it's a freehand tool, so it's not going to be that accurate, right? A better way of doing this would be to create a cutter manually using Loop Tools extension from Blender. So go to Edit Preferences and Loop Tools and enable Loop Tools extension. So we're going to add a plane and move this plane somewhere here. Scale it a bit here and apply scale. Okay. So now I'm going to add a lot of loops here, right? Make it really dense. The denser it is, the more accurate and kind of the more smooth the cut's going to be. And now we're going to determine the peaks. So let's say I wanted to run a cut like this, right? So we're going to grab this one and move it up here. Create like a lower peak here and maybe another one higher here, right? Then I'm going to select all these in order. Right click and Loop Tools and Curve. And then I'm going to solidify it both ways, so 2 with hard ups. Cut this, right? And I got a really cool, very precise cutter. Now, what I also can do, I can go to D menu, custom, and set it as a custom cutter. So select this and click, and you're going to add it to cutters. Then you can repeat that cut by going to D, switching to custom, and drawing it. Holding Alt, and you can scroll through all the cuts in your collection and select the one you want. So there you go, make it larger and cut it. And if you wanted to run a sub D on it, what you can do is select all these edges and then go to select, checker deselect, right? And you can dissolve every second edge here and lower the resolution of your cut. You can do it one more time, right? And one more time, probably, maybe not. This is, I think, enough. And then you can just, create a sub D mesh out of this, and you can have a really beautiful curvy surface. So Loop Tools in Blender is a very powerful tool, and if you would like to learn more tricks and more about Blender and how to model hard surface in Blender, then you should definitely grab our course, the Hard Surface Accelerator, which is going to teach you a lot about modeling, all the menus, all the tools, rendering, principles of design, so the whole process is explained. The course is fantastic. We have over 5,000 students, thousands of reviews and positive feedback. And you can learn more about this course by clicking the link in the video description or on a link in a comment pinned under this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.